What's up guys, Sean Connors here, and we're super excited to bring you a fantastic investment opportunity right here in the heart of West Chester Borough. So we are on East Washington Street, specifically 134 East Washington, and I just want to go over a couple specs about the property to give you an idea of what you can get into. And the reason why I think it's such a fantastic opportunity is because real estate has helped create more millionaires than almost any other investment in the world. So we're in front of 134 East Washington. It's a 3-unit building. So we have two 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom units, and then we have one 1-bedroom and 1 bath. It has a newer roof, replacement windows throughout, and it has separate electric. So I want to highlight 3 reasons why this investment opportunity is perfect for you. The first one being the fact that the rents are really low. They haven't been risen in years, so there's a value add opportunity for you. The average 2-bedroom home in West Chester goes for about $1,400, and this one is less than that. And the average 1-bedroom goes for about $1,100. So there is a lot of improvement for you to make on the rents for this property. So the second reason why this is a great investment opportunity is appreciation. One of the main benefits of owning an investment property is appreciation. So the home values in West Chester in 2015 were $384,000, and now in 2020 they're about $426,000. That's almost a 12.5% increase in value. So if you own this property for a long period of time, you can almost guarantee that it's going to appreciate up and not down. And the third and final reason why this is such a great investment opportunity is because we are in the heart of West Chester Borough. So you are within walking distance to all the things that the borough has to offer, and especially my 2 favorite restaurants, which are Opa and Roots. So opportunities like this do not come up often in the borough. So if you want to see it, make sure you reach out to me soon. 267-808-0574. I look forward to speaking with you and showing you this amazing investment opportunity. Have a great day. Take care.